Welcome to Brox and Max. Like and subscribe. If you like the content, you like the trucks, you like the video, all the stuff that I've been putting on here. What this is a 1973 or 74 Mack R model. There's really nothing special about it when you walk up to it, but you have to kind of dissect it a little bit. I bought this truck out of, obviously, South Carolina. Had it moved to me. I have not heard this run because the starter was removed. Why was the starter removed? Well, for any of you Mack enthusiasts, there is good reason why the starter was removed. Oh wait, is that an air starter tank right there? Once upon a time, this truck was air start, and somebody was converting it to 12-volt starter, and they just gave up on the project. I'm not quite sure why. I guess I'll find out when I start tearing into this a little bit. It's a weird truck. It has wedge brakes in the rear. You can see the dual wedges there with the park, the maxi chamber park. And it's not a Mack rear either. I believe it's an Eaton rear. The cab isn't horrible, other than when you start opening the door and start dissecting it, it gets a little bit depressing. I do like this color, this teal. I don't think it was, no, it was not factory colors teal. But whoever painted it teal did a stand-up job. It was probably blue from new. But the one nice, interesting history part about this truck, oddly enough, chrome dog. Well, wouldn't be oddly enough, because it's got an Eaton rear, Mack 237, 5-speed. There you see the carnage here that most Macks that were not galvanized, and this would fit the time period, being an early 70s truck. And that's what happened. Got the clock, which everybody hates. So even still has the wiring schematic. Positive ground to boot. If anybody thought that Macks weren't positive ground, well, you were wrong. And then, oh, check this out. Air start button. So I guess I have to dig into my toolbox, because what I wanted to show you guys was the horn button. But I'll give you a little secret. Maybe if I find it, I'll post it on here. But it was built for Standard Oil Company. Here it is. I knew I had it. Found it in my toolbox. Standard Oil Company. Built specifically for. Now, John Rockefeller didn't sign the check for this truck, or the multiple orders of trucks for this piece, but I think it's cool that you see all the stuff on TV of the history of people that built America and all that. I just think it's neater than neat that this was a Standard Oil petroleum truck. See if I can open it. Sometimes you got to improvise when you open up the hood. So, generic 237. Gonna get it running one of these days. I'll probably post a video of cold start. Or start. Let's see if it'll start first. Let's not worry about the cold. But all in all, complete. Nice little piece of history here. Like and subscribe. Have a great night.